Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Disney Storybook is probably one of the most charming and creative LEGO sets out there, offering a delightful blend of building and storytelling. This set brings beloved Disney tales to life in a compact and interactive format, perfect for both kids and adults who love LEGOs and Disney. With its unique book-like design and the inclusion of iconic characters and scenes, this set promises hours of imaginative play and display potential. Number 5. LEGO Disney BELLE'S Storybook Adventures 43177. This LEGO Disney set opens to reveal a magical micro-world. Inside, you'll find a world of adventure and fun. It's packed with details and ready for play. Kids can explore the castle's secrets. There's a magical rose, a place for her to sleep, and even a dance floor. It's all there for them to discover. Play with favorite Disney characters in micro-size. Belle, Beast, Mrs. Potts, Chip, Cogsworth, and Wardrobe are all included. They're ready for fun. This set sparks imagination and offers endless fun. It's a great gift for kids aged 5 and up. They'll love creating their own stories. The open book is over 9 inches wide, but it's also packable. Take it with you for on-the-go fun. It's perfect for adventures wherever you go. What we like. This set features adorable micro-dolls, allowing for detailed storytelling. It also offers the chance to uncover castle mysteries, sparking imagination. If you like classic Disney stories and enjoy detailed play, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to assemble and everything stays in the little book when your child is done playing it. It doubles down as a container for the Legos. It's the best travel toy and adorable bookcase to travel with. Number 4. LEGO Disney Princess Storybook Adventures 43193. Dive into the world of Disney with this LEGO set. It's a storybook adventure waiting to unfold, ready to spark imagination. Inside, discover a 2-sided castle build and charming accessories. This set is packed with play starters for endless fun. Featuring Cinderella, Tiana, Belle, and Ariel, along with their friends. They're all set for exciting new adventures. Ideal for kids aged 5 and up, this set offers a complete micro-world. It's a fantastic treat or reward for any young Disney fan. Measuring over 3 inches high, 9 inches wide, and 5 inches deep, it's perfect for new adventures. It's also easy to pack up and take with you. What we like. This set includes 4 beloved princesses, offering diverse play options. The 2-sided castle provides a unique setting for adventures. If you are looking for a set with multiple characters and easy portability, this is a great choice. What people say. She loved having different characters and different places designed for each. She could close it up and bring it with her, to grandma's, from the floor to the table, etc. Everything fits inside the storybook case after it's assembled and stores easily of the bookshelf. Number 3. LEGO Disney Frozen 2 Storybook Adventures. This LEGO set lets kids relive their favorite moments from Frozen 2. It's a portable travel toy, perfect for on-the-go fun. The set includes everything needed to spark imagination. The set features a 2-sided opening book with a buildable center. It also comes with a sticker sheet and engaging play starters. This allows them to create their own Frozen stories. Join Elsa and the Knock, the mythical water horse spirit, on exciting adventures. This set allows them to journey from Arendelle into the Enchanted Forest. They'll have so much fun with it. The set includes Iduna, 2 versions of Elsa, Olaf, Knock, and the Earth Giant. It offers endless play possibilities with these beloved characters. They can create their own stories. Open the book to reveal a complete Ice Palace micro-world. It's packed with features to inspire kids' imaginations. They can explore the palace and create their own adventures. The set includes printed and digital instructions plus. In the LEGO Building Instructions app. This guides them through the building process. It's easy and fun to build. This LEGO Frozen 2 set makes an awesome gift for kids aged 5 plus. It's perfect for birthdays or Christmas. They will love this gift. What we like. This set brings the magic of Frozen 2 to life with its Ice Palace micro-world. It also includes digital instructions, making building easier. If you are a fan of Frozen and want a set with interactive features, you should consider this one. What people say. The LEGO Disney Frozen 2 Elsa and the Nock Storybook Adventures set is a fantastic blend of creativity, compactness, and magical storytelling that any Frozen fan will adore. The book-style case design is incredibly clever, allowing the set to close up neatly and be easily transported. Inside, there are beautifully detailed mini-scenes that bring the world of Frozen to life, including Elsa, the Nock, and charming accessories that spark imaginative play. Number 2. LEGO Disney Princess Storybook Adventures 43193. This exciting new set features Ariel, Belle, Cinderella, and Tiana. It's a fun way to bring these beloved characters to life. Kids will love creating their own stories with this amazing set. The set includes micro-characters of Cinderella, Tiana, Belle, and Ariel. Also included are Gus, Lumiere, a dolphin, and a frog. It's a great way to play with all your favorite characters. This building toy is perfect for on-the-go play. It's big enough for new adventures, yet easily packed up. Take it with you wherever you go. This set is recommended for ages 5 and up. It's a great way to encourage creativity and imagination. Kids will have hours of fun with this set. With 130 pieces, this set offers a great building experience. It's a perfect gift for any young Disney fan. They will love building and playing with it. What we like. This set features Ariel, Belle, Cinderella, and Tiana, offering diverse play options. The portable design provides a unique setting for adventures. If you are looking for a set with multiple characters and easy portability, this is a great choice. What people say. The instruction is very well described, so that the birthday child, 6 years old, could assemble the whole fairy tale book by himself. The book can be well closed, like Polly Pockets, and is therefore well preserved. Mia nipote fanatica del principessa adora questo castello. Bello è sediment cum discrezione. Number 1. LEGO Disney Antonio's Magical Door 43200 Building Kit. Open the door to a world of imagination with this LEGO Disney set. It's a great way to bring the magic of the movie home. The set includes everything you need to start your own adventure. This 99-piece set features a door with a working lock and key. Inside, you'll find a center build, sticker sheet, and play starters. It's designed to spark creative storytelling. The set includes Disney's Antonio and Mirabelle, along with Chispy and Parse LEGO figures. These characters are ready for imaginative adventures. You can play with it alone or combine it with other sets. This unique gift is perfect for any Disney's Encanto fan aged 5 and up. The door opens to reveal a micro-world with a hammock and jaguar cave. It's packed with cool features and accessories. The open door measures over 2.5 inches high, 8.5 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It's easy to pack up for playdates and looks great on display. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This set brings the magic of Encanto to life with its working lock. It also includes unique gift, making building easier. If you are a fan of Encanto and want a set with interactive features, you should consider this one. What people say. These LEGO book sets are the cutest. They are fun to assemble, easy to take on the go, and make a really cute little display with the others. They comes with a little latch to keep the books closed for storage. Wonderful open and go play sets. I bought this for my daughter at Christmas, and until we put it together, I wasn't aware that you could actually close and lock the book. All of the Legos fit inside as the instructions show when closed, so they can play right when they open it. My 5-year-old loves to travel with this. Loves the key aspect of this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.